An unboxing or unpackaging of the Divoom Ditoo. I normally don't do unboxings, but the packaging for this, I kind of get now why people do unboxings every now and then. The packaging on this is very unique. It actually has its own little carrying case here. So this is a rubberized handle. It's super thick and it actually will let you carry this around. You'll notice that the case itself is colored the same as your Ditoo. So if you got a different color variant, your box will be a different color as well. It is a very substantial and sturdy box. And if you come around to the back there, you've got your QR code to download the app, and then pretty much what you can expect your Divoom Ditoo to do. So let's actually kind of open this up and take our thing out. So here we go. Here is our Divoom. And I'll have to say that is rather hefty. You got some screen protectors on there right now, but it gives you an idea of what it can actually do. There's your speaker on the top, and I'm touching the nice tactile clicky keys there. And then quickly micro SD on off, and then your USB-C type port. All right, so that's the unboxing of that. We'll come over here so you can see those substantial handle holes. There is your insert for the Divoom, so you can take that out. And right on the back there, okay, so that's your cableage, so you do have a charging cable. And you get, oh, there's your inspection sticker in there. But you get some pixel art stickers, as well as the instruction manual. So that is everything that comes in the box for your Divoom Ditoo. The carrying case itself, if you're not going to put your Divoom back in here, actually it looks like you could probably display something nicely there. It does have some writing right there. So, Ultimate Music Player, that's kind of embedded on the thing itself, so it might not be good for display, but you can definitely trek something around in here or use it for like a pseudo lunchbox almost.